Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to list and sell digital products on eBay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on eBay, click on the Create an Account option. And from here, you can choose to create a personal or a business. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Okay, so selling digital products on eBay can be a lucrative venture for several reasons. Because number one, eBay boasts a massive customer base, providing a significant reach for your digital products. Now, this platform attracts millions of buyers worldwide, increasing the exposure of your listings and potentially leading to more sales. eBay allows sellers to diversify their offerings beyond physical goods, and by selling digital products such as ebooks, software, music, or digital artwork, you can tap into new markets and cater to different customer preferences. Now, compared to physical products, digital goods have minimal production and shipping costs because once they are created, they can be replicated and delivered instantly to buyers, resulting in higher profit margins. Now, how to do it? It's very simple and straightforward. All we have to do is go here and the sell option. That's going to be around on the upper part corner of your dashboard. And from here, you can make money selling on eBay and click on the list an item. Now from here, make sure that your product is allowed because eBay permits the sale of certain types of digital products like ebooks, digital art, software, and music downloads. Alright? So, however, be mindful that some digital goods like codes for unlocking content may have restriction or specific requirements. So at this point, it's very important to know that you have to review eBay's policies to confirm your product fits within their guidelines. Now, what I'm about to do is, now from here, you can start your listing by putting the category that you wanted to. Say, for example, I'm gonna be selling ebooks, right? As you can see, there's a lot. And there's like an ebook reader, ebook as PDF, ebook reader e-ink. Oh, so it's up to you. But for now, I'm gonna be going for the ebook. And from here, all I have to do is, now these are the suggested categories for you. It can be antiques, art, baby books and magazine, and a lot more. All right, it's gonna be business, cameras and photos, cell phones, accessories, and a lot more. But for now, what I'm gonna choose is, it could be music. All right, so you have like CDs, cassettes, music, NFTs, other formats, and a lot more. I'm gonna use the music NFTs. Okay, now from here you can continue without a match, because if you are into a specific niche for your digital products, you can just continue without the match. All right, and of course, all you have to do is select the condition of your item, which is digital good or digital product. Now, once it's loaded, make sure you fill in as much as information as you can. So it's too short, maybe let's put something like this one. All right, and the item specifics are like, obviously it's going to be a digital good. You can enter your blockchain if you have, your contact address, and of course the creator, right? So it's up to you for you to choose from. And the product is music NFTs. Of course, you can create your token ID. And from here, you can also put more details about your item. Say for example, it's going to be featured artist. Is it Alex Ross, Blake Catherine, Dave Grohl, Jack Harlow, and a lot more. Right? And the genre of the music, is it going to be hip hop, rap and hip hop, acoustic, acid, blues? Maybe I'm gonna choose the comedy and spoken word for now, and the date minted, even the edition number. All right. If you click on the more options here, there's gonna be like total number of editions, features. So is it gonna be one-on-one, first edition, or I'm gonna be going to the limited edition? Of course, you can create a title of your own. right? And the duration. Obviously, you're going to use for the English language and the record label. And from here, you can add more photos so that the buyers want to see all the details and angles, right? I'm gonna put some pictures here. You can simply upload from your computer or drag and drop the files. Now, once it's loaded, I'm gonna add more files here, okay? Now, once it's loaded, I'm gonna go to the description and I'm gonna make sure it's customizable. You can put it in different type, font type, and the sizes as well. So it's all up to you. You can also click on the show HTML editor if you wanted, but let's forget for now and revert it back. Now, if you have troubles, all right, putting a description, use the AI description. All right. Now, for the pricing, I'm not going to have an auction. All right. But I'm gonna put some numbers right here. It can be $20 per download, or it could be 50. It could go up to 100. So it's up to you, right? And of course, allow buyers some offers, and I'm gonna be having an minimum entry of $50 for that. Now you can schedule your listing start time. As you can see, there's an option here that says listing between 12 a.m. and 6 a.m. isn't recommended. All right, auction start and end in the evening. Get the most out of the bid. So right now, I'm gonna go to the March 1st, and right like 8 p.m. I see that's gonna be GMT, and your listing will be live until sold or canceled. All right, so you can enter how many you are selling if more than one. Maybe I'm gonna be selling 20 for now. And of course, the shipping is not guaranteed because what we are selling are digital products, right? Now, in this situation, as you can see, some digital products are automatically delivered to buyers after purchase. This can be done through the eBay Selling Manager Pro or by using a third-party digital delivery service that integrates with eBay. Because nowadays, eBay allows sellers to use third-party services to host and deliver digital content securely to buyers. Some popular services include Dropbox, Google Drive, or specialized digital delivery platforms. As you can see, local pickup is not an option right here. Okay, and then from here, just skip this one because we are selling a digital product. And once you're happy with it, right? It's not for charity, list it for free, and all you have to do is click on the preview to see what's the item that you're selling, right? A digital good for $100, and people can, these are the payment methods that you accept, right? And once you're happy, all you have to do is click on save and click on sell. Now, if by any chance you are having problems during the whole navigation process, you can always go to the eBay customer service, and from here just choose the topic that's associated with your selling digital products, right? You can browse for help, and of course you have the option to contact the eBay, right? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.